Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V2 Visionary, and I'm here today with some Hoffman Designs carbon fiber side covers. These are really cool, first of all. Super lightweight. The weave of this carbon is beautiful, as you can see, and very well made. You can also see it's carbon. It's not wrapped fiberglass. Curtis also makes his own hardware for this. They're super cool. They have kind of an FXR look, but more of a sporty look. Some stuff would look good on your bike for sure. Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V2 Visionary, and I'm here today with some Hoffman Designs carbon fiber bagger side covers. These look a little bit like FXR side covers, which will definitely dress up your bagger. They're super lightweight, so you're gonna lose a bunch of weight on them. And they're designed really cool. You can see the weave of the carbon is amazing. We have a bunch of carbon stuff from Hoffman that we'll be putting on a couple of our bikes this year. So check it out. Just like that.